Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my first official video of 2020. I've posted some videos on my channel this year, but they were not made this year. It's just like my village vlog from December, although some of them were captured like New Year, but this is like my first official sit down video, and I'm welcoming you all. Welcome to my channel. You would have already noticed that I'm using a different mic. For some time, my other mic that I got from Jimmy and stuff, it just started having some issues. The sound was having some issues. I wasn't using a mic for a while, and then my cousin got me this as a Christmas gift, and I was so happy. I like this. I've always liked this. I just feel like it just gives this professional feel, like, okay, I'm giving you guys some kind of news. I'm a newscaster and stuff. That's one. Secondly, I don't have to like shout. When I'm talking to my camera directly, I have to like be shouting. I'm like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, you know, for you guys to hear me. But now I can just talk and I don't have to shout. I can even whisper and you're going to hear me very, very well. So that's my excited about English. That's my excitement about this wonderful mic you're seeing here. Before I start my main videos for this year, or the contents I have for this year, I just decided to come on and talk about what I've observed this first 2 weeks of the year, or things that have happened just at the beginning of this year. There's been a lot of drama in the beauty industry, drama in political industry, there's just drama everywhere. Drama on a personal lane, or let me just say entertainment, social media, drama. There's just drama everywhere. And you know, I just feel like I should just address all of that first, or that's the first thing that came to my head to talk about before I just go ahead with like other videos that I have for this year. And I wrote some things down, but I might not make reference to it. I'll just be saying the things that as it's coming, as the hot, as it's coming, I'll just say it. First of all, we have the Australia wildfire. The fire has been crazy. It has killed a lot of animals. It has destroyed properties. It has killed people. It's just like God. The good thing is that a lot of people have been donating towards the fire incidents that have been happening in Australia. Fun fact. Okay, let me not say fun fact. Something that I saw that was quite interesting. There was this lady that was able to raise over $1 million by sending her nudes to people. And you know, she has donated that money to the people of Australia. It's quite weird. It's like using, I don't know, it's just quite weird. How do you see that kind of thing? Does it feel weird? Then aside the Australia fire, we have the US versus Iran. I feel like that was one of the main things that started trending this year. As I came back from my village, I just came online, I went on Twitter and I saw US versus Iran. I'm like, what's happening here? It came off like, okay, there is about to be a war. World War III is about to happen. I was really, really scared for some days. I was like, war. I don't like hearing anything war, because I usually watch all these movies, all these kind of movies that are all these old, very old ancient movies, and you see situations where everybody is fighting and people are just dying and stuff. That's just the way I reason war. That's the way I look at war. And that was then where they were using knives and arrows to kill people. Now where we are doing bombing things, they will just bomb a whole city. The fight is going to be crazy. So I've always been like scared of this idea of war. I don't feel like there's any positive that comes from it. What's usually the reason for war? It's just a case of power past power, or that's just this whole war thing. That was the mindset I had when I saw, like, what's going on? Oh, we don't want war. And then we now had some Nigerians trying to like get into the matter. They were saying things on Twitter. Some people were talking, ranting. I'm like, these people should calm down. If US comes for us, one strike and we're all gone. So I don't know why a lot of people were just buying the case. I'm like, please, we're not part of them. People that are buying it should go and gather themselves and put maybe in Sambisa forest, so that if they want to bomb, they will just know where they are bombing and kill them. I'm not part of it. We're not part of it. So that's Iran versus US. Everything has to do with the fight has been crazy, and I can only hope that it stops. So now we've also had different natural disasters over like 4 or 5 or 6. We talk about the eruption, the volcanic eruption that happened in the Philippines. And according to the news, this volcano is one of the most active in the world, and it decided to act in this January. But I don't think any life was lost in the process, and I thank God for that. Then we have an earthquake that occurred in Puerto Rico. You see, earthquake, that's one thing that I've always been scared of, because I just feel like, okay, so I'll just be here like this and then ground will start shaking. I've always been scared of that, because I feel like something that can happen anywhere. Even though as a Nigerian we don't have all these natural disasters. I've never seen where they'll say earthquake just came, killed people, or you have like tornadoes and stuff. We don't see all those things here. We just have small breeze that will be turning and carrying things. And so I feel like we have been blessed in that aspect, and I hope that we don't get to that point where we start experiencing all those disasters, because we have enough issues to deal with. We cannot add that one, because wow. And there was also a super rare storm in Israel. This 2020 is like the situation of things, the climate change, everything is just coming down. As I am like this, as I'm talking to you, in Lagos it has already rained, which is very, very unusual to see like heavy rain within the first 2 weeks of January. And in fact, climate change in Nigeria has been happening since, because the periods that you say this is supposed to be dry season, you see it will be raining. The period that is supposed to be raining, it will be very hot, it will not be raining. Everything has just scattered. So about this climate change, I feel like that's something that we might experience, or we would experience this year. But I just hope that it's not so bad, because when it comes to rain, like it's the place, like it's raining in Lagos, it can be really, really bad. So if it starts to rain now, it's going to be bad, especially in some areas where we have flood. As in, for you to enter your house when it rains is an issue. So I just pray that rain doesn't happen like that. It's better let's just be hot. Rain is my worst. Rain, I don't like rain, like everywhere, except I'm not going anywhere and I wouldn't have to go anywhere for like a week. I don't like rain. Rain is, I don't even know, everywhere will just be irritating. Everywhere will just be, especially if you're in a very, very terrible area. So I don't think I like rainy season. So for these natural disasters, for this climate change and things happening upside down, I feel like that's one thing that we get to experience as Nigerians. So that's one. And then you have the super rare storm, per se, in Israel, super rare storm, and then another storm and tornado in Alabama. Yeah, that's like January 11th, everything 11th, 12th, 11th, 12th, 3rd, first week, second week of January, and a lot has already happened. And then we have flood again, flood in Indonesia. I think this particular one killed people. Over 53 people were killed. It's crazy. Then we have another eruption in Japan and Mexico. Genocides these things when it comes to like general drama. I wouldn't say this one is drama, but in the entertainment industry, or in the makeup industry, I've seen a lot of things that have happened in recent times. We have Nikkie tutorials revealing that she's transgender, and then we have Jeffree Star also talking about the fact that he just broke up with his long-time boyfriend. Then we also have cases on Twitter. A guy came out and said he's looking for a wife, or he's looking for a girlfriend, posted his picture and then said things that you need to have to apply, and people were actively applying, posting pictures, submitting their CV and stuff. I'm like, what is happening in this 2020? What is really happening? It's like everybody is in a rush to do something, everybody is in a rush to achieve something, and I feel like it has a lot to do with the fact that 2019 was crazy. 2019 was a very, very strange, weird year. A lot of things just seemed very stagnant, or I feel like a lot of people experienced this vibe that 2019 came with. I've seen a lot of people complain about 2019. You see some people saying things like 2019 was my worst year, 2019 was this, 2019 was that. As for me, I can totally relate to it. 2019 was just like a year that it just came and went like boom. And at the end of the year, I was like, what did I really do? What did I really do in my life this year? Like, when did this year come and when did this year go? There are times I felt really down. It felt like I hadn't achieved a lot. You know, I felt like there are a lot of things I should have done, and I would have just put in more energy when it comes to work, everything in general. So 2019 was just somehow, and I feel like a lot of people can relate to this. It was good for some people. Some people, it got better towards the end of the year. For me, last year, at least one of the things that I know I achieved, or one of the things that I know that really happened to me that I was happy about, was getting my first YouTube paycheck and stuff. It just felt good, like, okay, let me just receive this money, and I know that I put that money to good use, and I'm happy about that. But aside that, there wasn't so much that happened. So I just feel like because of that, this year a lot of people are not even giving it a slight chance. Everybody is like, I need to start this year on a different note. This year that cannot be like last year in any way. I need to put in so much more effort. I need to like take the bull by the horn and move. This year I know that it's going to be fast. It's going to be a fast one, and if you are not fast like the year is going, you'll probably be left behind. Generally, it's just weird that the year started like this, but I'm somewhat positive. I'm pretty much positive about what is going to happen this year, because sometimes you find out that when things start really rough, it ends up having a happy ending. It will all be fine in the end. It's going to be fine. That's just how I look at it. What do you guys think about 2020? Do you think that it started off well, or do you think that what do you just think about the year? Are you positive? For my content this year, I don't exactly have like a stereotype. I'm willing to like try out different content, see what works, follow through with that. So from now on, you guys are going to be seeing me more often, you know. So guys, you know what to do. Thumbs up, double thumb. No, don't double thumbs up, because if you double thumbs up, it's going to be a thumbs down. So just thumbs up once. Turn on your post notifications, because a lot of times people don't get notified when I post a new video. So turn on your post notifications so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And then drop your comments. What do you think about 2020? Let me know how your 2019 was, and what you think about this year and how you see the year happening. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye. My camera is now far.